Setting up Windows 11 for the first time. When you are opening and unboxing your Windows 11 device for the first time, you will be directed through a series of setup screens. This video will explain how to navigate through these screens during the initial setup of Windows 11. Note: the screens you see in this video may differ depending on your specific device as well as the version of Windows 11 you are running. Press the power button to turn on your device. Select your language and country or region. Next, select your keyboard layout and then select the optional second keyboard layout. When prompted to connect to a network, select your preferred network and enter the network security key to connect. If you have a wired connection for your computer, you do not have to connect to a wireless network. With Windows 11 Home Edition, Internet connectivity and a Microsoft account are required to complete device setup. If you don't have Windows 11 Home Edition and do not wish to connect to a network, you can select I don't have Internet. If you select the I don't have Internet option, you are prompted to proceed with a limited setup of Windows 11. You can always set up your device with a wireless connection at a later time if you prefer. Your PC will then check for updates. It is important that you do not turn off the PC during this process. You are prompted to accept the Windows 11 license agreement. Select Accept to continue with the setup process. Next, you are prompted to the optional step of naming your device. After this step, Windows 11 loads before presenting the next steps. Next, set up the device for personal use or for work or school. If you select Set up for personal use, you are prompted to enter your Microsoft account information or create a new Microsoft account for the device. If you select Set up for work or school, you are prompted to enter your credentials through your organization to set up the device. If your webcam supports Windows Hello, you will be prompted to set up your account with facial recognition as an option to log in. Follow the prompts to set up facial recognition, or you can select Skip for now to continue with the setup process. If you choose to skip, you can always set up Windows Hello at a later time if you prefer. If your device has a fingerprint reader, you are prompted to set up fingerprint recognition as a login option. Follow the prompts to set up your fingerprint reader, or you can select Skip for now to continue with the setup process. If you choose to skip, you can always set up the fingerprint reader at a later time if you prefer. Create a PIN as a login option for your device. Follow the prompts to create a PIN that you will remember so that you can log into your device. Restore your settings from a previous sync if you would like. Then select the privacy options you prefer for your device. You can customize your Windows 11 experience by selecting options for how you plan to use your device. This sets up specific tips, ads, and recommendations by choosing options such as business, school, or gaming, for example. Your selections are not permanent and can be changed in your device settings after your device setup is complete. Next, you can choose to back up your files with Microsoft OneDrive. This automatically syncs your files to the cloud and allows you to access them on other devices. After making your selection, click Next. The Microsoft 365 free trial option allows you to set up Microsoft Office apps for 1 month. You can choose to accept the free trial option, or you can choose to skip. Next, you can register your device with HP. This will give you access to HP services and support. Fill in your account information or create an account if you would like and select Next. You can choose what kinds of data you would like to send to HP. After making your selections, click Next. Windows 11 checks for updates. If any updates are found, you will be prompted to download and install the update, then restart your device. Just like earlier, it is important that you do not turn off the PC during the update or restart processes. After Windows 11 completes the check for updates, it will finalize the setup and bring you to the login screen. Enter your PIN to log in, and you are brought to the Home desktop screen. Your Windows 11 device is now set up. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.